Guys, my name is Mair. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making the electric vegetable sandwiches. We will be using the equipment where we're gonna make the sandwiches. These gonna be electric, and I have the electric ingredients here as well. So these are all the ingredients. It's gonna go in our sandwich. So let's get straight into the video. So this is our non-stick pan. I'll turn on the electric stove. I'll put at least 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil in there. So oil goes in there. We will wait for the oil to get hot. I have peeled the potatoes. I have made into a small square forms. So this is one potato. It depends on the quantity, how much quantity you guys are making, but just follow the recipe, the ingredients what I'm putting in there. So first, after putting the oil in the pan, I'll add the potatoes in there. So this is one potato. So I have added the potatoes in the pan. As you guys can see, it has very tiny bit of oil. So we will stir fry these potatoes, not all the way. You just need a little bit char on these vegetables. So once you make these sandwiches, they don't just go raw on you, So you have to add a taste to it. This is the whole recipe. Making electric vegetable sandwiches. I'm adding cumin seeds, a pinch of mustard seeds. I'll take shredded carrots. I'll add the carrots right here. They will go all in here. So after adding the carrots, potatoes, cumin and mustard seed, I'll make sure I stir fry a little bit. It's getting stir fried. I'll take turmeric powder. I'll add a pinch of turmeric powder in there. I'll take a black pepper. I'll add a pinch of black pepper. Take some salt. Add a pinch of salt. As I told you guys, this recipe depends on the ingredients, quantity you guys are making. I'm making at least 6 sandwiches. So 1 potato, 4 shredded carrots, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin. It's gonna go in here. I'll add chopped bell peppers, the green bell peppers. At least if you're making 6 sandwiches just like me, at least 2 tablespoons of green bell peppers. They should go in there. Finely chopped onion. I'll add at least 3 tablespoons of onion in there. These are all fresh onion. We'll give it a stir. Oh wow, the turmeric powder, the mustard seed, it has a nice aroma. It really has nice aroma. So now what we're gonna do, guys, we will take our tomatoes, finely chopped, and I'll add at least 3 tablespoons of tomatoes in there. We'll give it a stir. Oh wow, the aroma is so yummy. Nice, really nice. Okay, give it a rough stir. Take a lid and put it on top of your pan. So all the vegetables, all the juices, all the dry ingredients and the fresh ingredients, they just mix in well together, and we will wait for 5 minutes, and it's on a high flame. Remember, we are stir frying it. Here I just want to show you guys, I'm using the bread. It's a potato bread, that's what this is, or white bread. You can use any kind of bread, but I would suggest potato white bread goes perfect with that. For now, we will just wait on the vegetables for next 5 minutes. If you guys see the steam is coming out, wait 5 minutes. So it means all the vegetables are getting mixed up together. They are releasing the juices, and they are just creating a perfect blend of taste in there. So it has been frying for 15 to 20 minutes, right? So our vegetables, the fresh vegetables, this is a fresh vegetable electric sandwiches, right? It has a char at the bottom. It's all fine. It's gonna taste yummy in your sandwiches. If you guys see closer, they are so perfectly fried, stir fried. All the vegetables, all the dried ingredients, they are perfectly fried. This is our main bowl where all this goes in here. Remember, this is for 6 sandwiches. It has been stir fried, it has been seasoned perfectly well. I'll put the spoon right there. So this is our bowl of our mixed vegetables, right? I'll take mayo. If you guys don't want to add mayo, or if you guys want to make a vegan recipe, you can still use recipe. You can get a vegan mayo, but this is a regular mayo, you know. I'm adding 1 and 2 and the last one 3 spoons of regular mayo in here. I'm using canned sweet peas. I'll add at least 4 tablespoons right in here. Take the regular spoon and mix everything. So it has the mayo, it has all our fresh, what I showed you guys, how to make fresh vegetable sandwich. If you guys see closely, oh my god, the aroma is so nice. It's all fried freshly. These are all fresh vegetables except the peas. Peas are the canned peas, but the canned peas are all fine. It's going to give the sweetness right in here. 2 potato bread. We'll put the bees together. If you guys see the bee align, I'll cut the sandwich right here. Okay, so I have to make a perfect triangle of the sandwich. Don't worry about this part. I will keep this for my bread pudding. Take another one, put the bees together and make a perfect cut. Nice perfect cut of the sandwich. Take the excess part, put it on the side, and this is your perfect triangle for the sandwich. I'll put it right here. Our vegetable mix is ready. Our sandwiches are ready. Our Hamilton Beach sandwich maker, electric sandwich maker is ready. Take your sandwich, take a big scoop of the mixed vegetables and put it right here. Make sure you spread it evenly. I have taken a little bit extra. Take the excess part, put it back, and just make sure spread this all evenly. Another slice, and we will just put this right on top of it, and we will press it gently from the top. We have to make sure the ingredients right here, they should just stay intact, right? And we will take a sandwich and we will put it right here. Okay, the first one is done. Freshly made ingredients, we will put it right here. Spread it. If you do a little bit roughly, it's all okay, but the end part should be a nice perfect. We'll take the second part and just press it from the top. Make sure the ingredients stay in there, and put the sandwich here on the top. So these are 2 sandwiches right here. We put it right here. Okay, you can hear the sizzle, right? 4th one. Press it. It's all fine. Just try to adjust the big guy right in here. We will try to close down the lid. Okay, and we will just try to lock it up. Okay, it's locked. If you guys see, the red light is on, the green is off. When the green is on, it means the sandwiches are done. Until then, I'll work on how much I can do. I can do 2 more. So let's cut the same process. Take the perfect triangle, 7 minutes, and we can check on our sandwiches. They are crusty from the top. Right here, I will take out these. Okay, it's already been cut in half, and I'll put it right here with the knife. Remove the excess bread. So guys, our fresh vegetable sandwiches, they are perfectly ready the electric way. I'll slice them from the middle. So this is the half bite. As you guys can see, all the vegetables are right there. It's steaming hot. It is steaming hot. This is the moment of truth, okay? I'm taking the first bite of our toasted electric vegetable sandwiches. So it's still steaming. There are no words. Delicious. First one, fantastic. Second one, check this. It's all just steaming roast vegetables right in here. Oh my god. It's hot. Try this recipe, guys. It's very easy to make, perfectly done. Freshly homemade, fresh vegetable sandwiches at home. It took me maybe 30 minutes to make these sandwiches, and I can make as many as I want. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Subscribe to the channel, and bye bye. Okay. Come on. It's so good. This thing, mixed vegetable. It tastes way better when it's toasted.